Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Angle Mockup in Figma. This powerful plugin allows you to effortlessly transform your flat UI designs into stunning, realistic device mockups. It's an essential tool for showcasing your work in a professional and engaging way. You can place your designs into various popular device frames, visualizing how your user interface appears in real-world contexts. This helps immensely with presentations and portfolio building, making your designs truly stand out. To begin, you'll need to install the Angle Mockup plugin. Simply navigate to the Figma community, search for Angle Mockup, and click the Install button. It's a quick, one-step process. Once installed, open your Figma design file. You can then access the plugin directly from the Plugins menu at the top of your Figma interface. Before launching, ensure your design frame is prepared and ready to be placed into a mockup. Now, let's create your first mockup. First, select the specific design frame you wish to showcase. Then, open the Angle Mockup plugin from your Figma Plugins menu. You'll be presented with a wide array of device frames and angles. Choose the perfect device and perspective that best complements your design. You can also fine-tune elements like shadows and reflections to achieve a truly realistic and polished look for your presentation. To elevate your mockups further, explore Angle Mockup's advanced features. Don't limit yourself to standard views. Experiment with custom angles and unique device orientations to create dynamic compositions. Utilize the precise controls for shadows and reflections to add depth and realism, making your mockups indistinguishable from actual photos. Remember to export your final mockups in high resolution for crisp, clear presentations. Also, try different backgrounds to enhance your visuals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.